Friends, let's learn simplification trick for the squares of numbers. 4 square, what is 16? Its answer. 34 square. It's so easy. 4 square 16 and 1 plus 5 6. 4 square 16. 2 times 3, so 2 times 1, 2 times 5. 4 square 16, 6, 1, 3 times 3, so 3 times 1, 3 times 5. Next 4 square 16, 4 times 3, so 4 times 4, 4 times 1, 4 times 5. Next 4 square 16, 5 times 5 times 3, so 5 times 1, 5 times 5. Next 4 square 16, 6 times 3, so 6 times 1, 6 times 5. It's so easy. You can solve any of numbers in 3 seconds. You can check the answer.